Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, let's continue the drug inspector test series from question number 191. The aminoglycoside, which is too toxic for systemic use and hence used topically on the skin and eyes. The options are option A, pharmaceutin, option B, amikacin, option C, sizomycin, option D, tobramycin. So the right option is option A, pharmaceutin. Then question number 192. The fourth generation cephalosporin is option A, cefactor, option B, cefuraxime, option C, cefoxitin, option D, cefepime. So the right option is option D, cefepime. Then question number 193. Which bacterial enzyme is inhibited by fluoroquinolone derivative? The options are option A, DNA gyrase, option B, folate synthase, option C, topoisomerase 2, option D, beta-lactamase. So the right option is option A, DNA gyrase. Then question number 194. The following are luminal amibicide drugs except option A, diloxanate furoate, option B, iodoquinol, option C, tetracycline, and option D, emitin. So the right option is option D, emitin. Other than that, all the drugs like diloxanate, iodoquinol, tetracycline are luminal amibicide. Then question number 195. WHO regimen for treatment of lepromatous leprosy is. The options are option A, dapsone plus clofazimine plus rifampicin, option B, dapsone plus rifampicin plus minocycline, option C, dapsone plus ofloxacin plus clofazimine, option D, dapsone plus ofloxacin plus clarithromycin. So the right option is option A, dapsone plus clofazimine plus rifampicin. Then question number 196. Peptic ulcer can be treated with. The options are option A, H1 antagonist, option B, H2 antagonist, option C, D2 antagonist, and option D, 5-HT antagonist. So the right option is option B, H2 antagonist. So H2 blockers like ranitidine, famotidine, roxetidine, so like drugs. Then question number 197. Sodium picosulfate is a. The options are option A, stimulant laxative, option B, osmotic laxative, option C, bulk laxative, option D, emollient laxative. So the right option is option A, stimulant laxative. Then question number 198. Beta-lactamase enzyme inactivates. Option A, sulfonamides, option B, penicillins, option C, tetracycline, option D, streptomycin. So the right option is option B, penicillins. Then question number 199. Dapsone is used to treat. Option A, leprosy, option B, malaria, option C, typhoid, and option D, cancer. So the right option is option A, leprosy. Then question number 200. Mercury poisoning can be treated with. The given options are option A, desfuroxamine, option B, tretinoin, option C, deferiprone, option D, dimercaprol. So the right option is option D, dimercaprol. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, enter your thoughts in our comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.